Habits are created based on frequency rather than time because of the way our brains are wired and how habits are formed through reinforcement and repetition. Our brains are highly adaptable and capable of changing in response to our experiences and behaviors. This phenomenon, known as neuroplasticity, allows new neural pathways to be formed and strengthened through repetition. When we repeatedly engage in a behavior, the associated neural connections become more efficient, making the behavior more automatic and habitual. Habits are reinforced through a process of positive reinforcement, where engaging in a behavior leads to a rewarding outcome. The more frequently we experience this reward in response to a particular behavior, the more likely we are to repeat that behavior in the future. Over time, the behavior becomes ingrained as a habit due to the consistent reinforcement provided by the rewarding outcome. Habits are often triggered by specific cues or stimuli in our environment. These cues can be internal, such as emotions or thoughts, or external, such as time of day, location, or other environmental cues. When we consistently engage in a behavior in response to a particular cue, we strengthen the association between the cue and the behavior, making it more likely that we will repeat the behavior in similar situations in the future. By repeating a behavior frequently, we train our brains to perform the behavior more efficiently and with less conscious effort. This process leads to the development of automaticity, where the behavior becomes almost reflexive and requires minimal cognitive resources to execute. As a result, habits formed through frequency are more sustainable and resistant to disruption compared to those formed through sporadic or inconsistent practice. By consistently engaging in a behavior over time, we increase the likelihood that it will become ingrained as a habit that persists over the long term.